Assalamualaikum and welcome to Abdullah channel. Today in our video we are going to see Global Village 2020 to 2021. So Global Village is open till March of next year and there are lots of parking available, and the area of the Global Village is actually reduced from before. It's close by and lighting effects are more this time. And one more main thing is there is a thermal monetization in the front. After passing the thermal monetization only we can go for the ticket counter. So anyone with fever or something cannot go over there. It's with full safety. They have sanitized everything properly and everything is very goodly maintained. And ticket is 15 dirham per person. And for kids below 3 is free. And there is a new counter that is for scanning the bags. After going inside we have to scan the backpacks and all, and they'll give a tag. So have a good look and hope so you like this video. If you do like, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. This is a dumpling counter. After we enter in the first itself we have the dumpling counter, and we can buy the Zardik sweet for 20 dirhams for a box, and it's really very tasty and it's very famous UAE sweet. The speciality of Global Village, or why we can visit Global Village, is that there is all countries available inside, that is European countries, Arabian countries and Asian countries, so that we get to explore all the countries as well as have the different varieties of food that are available in that countries. So it will be really good experience when we visit it. This is a speciality of Global Village. I would especially like to mention about the shop in India. It's actually cheaper than compared to the other shop, and they are very humble and very kind to their customers. It's like all the products are handmade, and mostly traditional goods are available over here. So it's really nice, and the one which I wanted to buy were a little bit cheaper, and they reduce the price also. So everyone who comes here will be satisfied for sure. So please do check out the shop. They are really kind and humble too. So this is the main thing I just wanted to mention, the shop, and it is located in India, and the number of the shop is 161 and 162. for watching this video. Hope so you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So I have used Samsung mobile phone for capturing all these views, and if you do want to know what kind of application or software I am using for editing these videos in my mobile phone, please do give this video 500 likes so that in the next video I'll be telling you all about the editing process and what kind of software I am using to edit these videos. Hope you enjoyed. Please do press the thumbs up button. Thank you.